What up, JT?
Look at the power of this guy. Look at the strength. This guy's super strong. All right, they wore the last guy out. We gotta do. The other left. Welcome, man. Welcome back, guys. Let's go through our typical shop stroll. What we have? Hey, this is a cop car. Hey, wait a minute. Before I get over here, I know good and damn well this car better not have no baby engine in it. It's a cop car designed to catch crooks, criminals, thieves, okay, on a high-speed road chase. They have to be able to catch the killers. All right, now let's creep. I want to walk slowly because I know this ain't what I think it is. I know good and damn well. You have got to be kidding me, guys. A cop car with a 3.6 Pentastar engine in it. Who the hell they gonna catch with a? Now, see, I catch a lot of flack for that. I'm not belittling the 3.6. Okay, that's not my point. I love this engine, guys. We're now at the Generation 3, and the Generation 3 Pentastar has even more horsepower. Okay, but this is not a Generation 3. But they are out there now, guys. But it just amazes me how. I mean, if nothing else, I guess you can pull up behind somebody and push them out of the ditch with this. But as far as high-speed chase, I don't even want to show y'all the county this cop car is from, because y'all may get the wrong idea when y'all drive through that particular county. Y'all might have the certain urge to break the law and punch it because you don't think that the cops in this county have cars that's equipped enough to catch you. Because JT has exposed that particular county, so I don't want y'all to see the county. I don't want y'all to get no bright ideas. Don't do that, guys. If you see red lights behind you, don't be like the General Lee and the Duke boys and them, Bo and Luke Duke. Don't do that. If you see cops behind you, pull over. No matter what engine they have. Yes, this is not a Hemi, okay, but it's still a police. Look, you got the lights and everything. This is a real police car, guys. So try not to do that. All right. All right, so let's go this way, guys. Hey, that is a beauty there. Oh, Magnum. It's one of those Magnum. It's been everything. Hey, see, that should be in that. They should swap. And this is an older model car. Magnum, you know, they done with the Magnum. They're not making Magnums anymore, but this engine should be in that engine. All right, let me go this way. Hey, look at this nice, pretty 1500. Guess what kind of engine in this, guys? Ta-da! 5.7 Magnum. That's it. Hey, diesel. What is my diesel buddy doing over here? Okay, turbo diesel. Is this 3500? I don't know, but I see some fuel related parts over here. Whoa, he got his hands full. Whoa! Alrighty, guys. Look at this man. Is that one of them $200 flashlights just sitting on the floor? Shame on. See, that's why I don't spend a lot of money on stuff like that, because these guys are so reckless, and I'm reckless too. So imagine my flashlight, maybe 10 bucks. Look, he got stairs built, so I can just step up here and end up on the top of the truck. Hey, look, guys. Yes. Let me stop clowning around. Get serious, JT. Fuel related issue, guys. This is the truck we pushed in. We didn't push it in. We couldn't even push it in. It was towed in, no start, but we had to get a tow truck to actually bring it in the shop. I think I'm gonna have that piece of footage in the front of this video, guys. This is one of my clown around videos I tend to upload from time to time, but a few related issues. Couldn't get it to run, so he's diagnosing and he's getting ready to replace some fuel related parts. All right, that was pretty interesting. All right, let me see if I can get down, use the stairs the way they're supposed to. All right, guys, let's go back here. Used car. What was traded in lately? Let's see what these boys doing back here. All right, but before we do that, let's stop right here. What is this? This is a nice ass truck. What is he doing? Water pump maybe? Radiator? Something in the front. Oh no. All right, let's go to used car. Hey, what's going on back here? What's trade? Hey, a Ford? Somebody traded in a Ford. A Ford what? I want to know. I want to know. What kind of Ford is this? Ford Titanium? What that mean? Pete, can you see me talking? Ford Escape? Escape. Ford Escape. This is a Ford Escape, Pete. I don't know if you knew that or not. Hey, it's kind of fancy in here, guys. What y'all think? No sunroof. I can imagine this one going on the lot, guys. They should be able to four-door. See, but this is on the same equivalent as our Jeep Cherokee, so I don't know. It's gonna be some stiff competition for the small body SUV. Can they match what we have under the hood? I don't know. Let's see. Sorry. Nothing to run home about. Like a little Ford banger. EcoBoost. Nothing. I don't think this is not gonna be any competition with the Jeep Cherokee. Not at all, guys. All right. What's going on? What they doing over here? Is this a Honda? Hey. Ooh. There has to be some intentions to put this in the lot if he's going to the extreme to do this axle. Maybe. I don't know what he's doing. But hey, new brakes. What you doing, man? It's 6 o'clock? How much time we got? And it's got a hitch on it, so that should help it stay up. Alright, guys. They about to run us out of there. It's got new brakes. Yeah, this one going on a lot. Anytime we invest in four-wheel brakes, y'all guys, they got plans for this. It's a four-door. Another Jeep Cherokee competitor. Okay, that's fine, but to me there is no comparison. So I don't think this is gonna put a damper in our sales. All right, it's got an H on it. I assume the H stands for Honda. Y'all know I've been locked up in this dealership so long. I don't know. CRV. That's all I can see, guys. All right, we had enough. Had enough fun for the day, guys. Let's go. Let's wrap it up. I'll see y'all in the next video.